Need more affiliate marketing information? Watch this video. Building high traffic websites and then monetizing them with affiliate ads can generate a tremendous amount of profit. This video will show you how to grow your affiliate site and make it thrive. If you are interested in affiliate marketing, the most basic thing that you can do is to start with choosing a topic that you know well. It's the easiest way for you to build a site. Also, it means that you can provide your own opinions easier on things, and you will enjoy it a lot better if it's something you're interested in. In affiliate marketing, you need to express to your readers that they can trust you. Do not post ads that you do not believe in or have any interest in, they will know. If you appear to be a phony condoning something you don't believe in, that will drive away your readers and they won't trust anything you have to say. If you are thinking of adding affiliate marketing to your site, do some comparison shopping. Not all programs are created equal, and many you have to find yourself. Check with your favorite vendors and see if they have a program you can sign up for. Loving the product you are selling is the key to making others want it too. To be successful at affiliate marketing, stay with the programs that pay the most money. You should submit your affiliate partnerships to a regular and thorough performance review. By severing ties with affiliates who perform poorly, you are allowing yourself more room for high-quality partners. Affiliate marketing provides many reward. There is the financial gain as you build serious profits, but also a great sense of satisfaction that you have created a wonderful asset for yourself. But, be advised that affiliate marketing does take a serious investment of time to ensure you have good content that will attract loyal customers. You'll definitely find success online if you try this. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.